cutting out. How do you focus? See, look at that, bro. That is swollen, bro. That is swollen. Like it's actually swollen. Like, let me. I didn't want to show you guys. It is a mess. It's a goddamn mess in my mouth. Pause. Pause. No. Yo guys, welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Shamsi here. Thanks for tuning in for another video, because I did tell you guys if I got good feedback on my last video, my returning video, if you haven't seen it, it's gonna be up here or here somewhere. And I basically said in the video, if I get good feedback from these style videos, then I will continue making more videos. Got my wisdom teeth talking out, so my face is a bit swollen. You don't care. I don't care that you don't care, but it is what it is, yeah? Play the intro. Today we're going to be talking about why I don't like the Fiesta community. Some people will be a bit confused saying,
you have a Fiesta ST, why do you hate the Fiesta community?
For some reason, anytime new YouTuber appears, they're always in Fiestas. Now, that's not a bad thing, bro. If you want to start YouTube and you got a Fiesta, go do it, bro. I'm all for it. I'll even help you out and give you tips. They get the Fiesta, they become the YouTuber, they wrap it, wheels, exhaust, might do air ride, and then fuck it off. That's literally it. So me as the other Fiesta YouTuber, I'm there like,
that dude just moved on so fast, and I'm still here making Fiesta videos. Like, the other dude got go far, and that now, like, it's a bit mad.
But obviously, they use the Fiesta scene as like a step up. There's nothing wrong with that. But the way how I'm doing it, I'm exploring everything that you can get and do with the Fiesta, do you know what I mean? Explore every options, the electrical side, mechanical side, cosmetic side. I'm doing a lot. Because obviously, these cars are for young drivers, and young drivers don't tend to have like a lot of money, which is one of the main reasons why most of my videos are like, oh, eBay parts, Wish parts. This costs £12, this costs £20, you know, affordable mods. Some YouTubers, some big YouTubers out here don't really care about, you know, their audience or what their financial situation is. Some YouTubers don't think like that. I think like that, yeah. Which is why most of my videos are just straight to the point. Affordable mods and yeah. Second thing that I don't like, please leave the Golf Rs on BMWs alone, because I don't like getting beeped at or they're revving their engines at the traffic light when I'm there just trying to get some milk from the shop. Do you know what I mean? It's a bit mad. Yeah, our Fiestas are fast, right? But it doesn't mean you have to fucking piss off everybody else. Why are you doing that? It's just jarring, you know? Because like, now people just hate Fiestas, and then a straight pipe Fiesta with pop and bangs is loud as fuck, right? Everybody, I don't want to hear no chat. A lot of people like pop and bangs. Obviously when you was a lot younger, you know, in your teens, you would like, you know, explosions and shit. So kind of explains. Or maybe every Fiesta owner are just like pyromaniacs. Are they? Is that why they like pop and bangs so much? I don't know, you tell me. So what did we speak about? We spoke about what I don't like with Fiesta YouTubers. We spoke about the Golf R and the BMW M140i's or M135i's. You know, this running meme / running joke. Apparently they're trying to G up the Merc scene as well. Like, bro, relax. Leave the Mercs alone, leave the AMGs alone. Last thing you need is to get gapped by DMO's whip. Like, have you seen DMO's whip? That shit's fast, bro. That is fast. The type of Fiesta drivers, oh my days. I cannot be more right. Cool. There's 3 types of Fiesta drivers, yeah? Well, one, you got the boy racer, and it's just pure fast, up and down the road, pop and bangs, you know, the loudest, brightest coloured cars, you know, It's calm. No, it's calm. Right. Second driver that you got the tech nerds, bro. The ones that do like the maddest stuff.
They're saying, oh, you gotta change up your valves, or you gotta see your valves ain't seated correctly. Or if you wanna get big power, all you gotta do, yeah, is just get the intercooler, you gotta slap the block mod in it, and well, you don't need to forge it because these engines can take fucking 700 brake horsepower. Yeah.
And you got people like that, and it's like, bro, at least know what you're talking about first, and then talk on it, because once you talk rubbish and people pick up on it, you're gonna look like a donut. So yeah, that's the second type of driver. Third driver are the old heads and the middle-aged people going through a midlife crisis, like bro, they just broke up with their wife and they bought a Fiesta to try and feel young again. You got them ones. Now, those ones are more of the Mount Tune, you know what I mean? Mount Tune mapping, Collins performance mapping. You know, they don't like all the overrun, they don't like the pop and bang. I'm not gonna make this video too long. Like I said, this year's gonna be a bit different. I'm just testing these videos out. If you like videos like this, please let me know. I am kneeling down because you are currently sitting on top of a toilet tank, because it is a nice, decent height to record at, and the lighting is blemishing. Like, oh, does it look a bit swollen? It looks a bit swollen, you know. Actually, it is swollen, but it was a lot more worse yesterday. Like, it was absolutely terrible, man. Absolutely fucking terrible. But anyway, that's that. I got some cool content on the way. Honestly, I really do. Oh, what's up with this focus, bro? And I don't mean forward focus. That's another little forward to it. Kill me now. It's been your boy Shamsy signing out. Peace. If you guys like this video, let me know. If you guys, next video, yeah, 10 likes. I want 10 likes on this video and then I'll drop the next video. Is that fair? Is that fair? That's the only way I know that you guys would like the videos. Obviously comments, not everybody has an account to comment. Like the video, 10 likes and I'll drop the next one, cool. Anyway, it's been your boy Shamsy, my knees are hurting and that is a wrong thing I just said. Pause. Anyway, catch you.